Welcome back to another episode of Mindful Sum. I am Preksha Jain, your certified relationship and intimacy coach, and today we are going to talk about the signs that someone is interested in you. Stay tuned till the end to discover whether the person you are thinking about is also thinking about you in the same way. In all my previous videos, I have put a special emphasis on pursuing relationships where both of you choose to be with one another. Pursuing a relationship with someone if and only if both of you are willing to be in one. If either of you is unsure of getting into a relationship or not attracted enough towards each other or is still debating whether you should be together or not, these are the clear signs that you should not pursue a relationship with them. And that relationship is not meant to last. You may overwork it for a couple of months, even years, but it will show and both of you will realize that this relationship was never meant to be. Now, it does not mean that breakups do not happen for those people who have been deeply or madly in love with each other. They do. But the relationships start because both of you are willing to be into one. That both the partners are interested in building a relationship with each other. In this video, I'm going to speak of 8 signs of someone who is interested in building a relationship with you. So let's dive in. Sign number 1, they want to spend intimate time with you or alone time with you. Now, that is not limited to sharing sexual intimate moments. It goes beyond that. It means that they feel comfortable enough to be alone with you in an intimate setting. For instance, they look forward to sitting together with you in a bus. They stay back while your mutual friends go to get movie tickets or snacks. They find seats next to yours. Sign number 2, they are attentive to all that you are saying. Now, that is a very important point. Do you know that feeling when you're truly heard? When someone is attentive to everything that you are saying, your lame jokes, your quirks, and they are paying attention to each and every detail like you're the most interesting person on the planet. That attentiveness is a clear sign that the person is interested in you. Now, if you have a busy person interested in you, their lack of attention or presence will not go unannounced. They will make it a point to communicate it to you or get back to you. They will speak like this: "Hey, I will be busy tonight. I have some work or I have to go with my friends. Why don't we meet tomorrow over lunch?" They will be open and honest about their intentions and plans, and they will make sure to include you. Sign number 3, they value your opinion. It doesn't matter whether or not you're a history buff or a tech savvy engineer or even a politician in the making. They value your opinion. The person interested in you has an interest in learning your thoughts, opinions, beliefs, viewpoints, and outlooks on several things. They want to know you deeply as a person. It is a blaring sign that they want to connect with you on a very deeper and a better level and look forward to knowing you more than anyone else. Sign number 4, they share their personal stuff with you. They genuinely share their deep, intimate, personal life details with you. It doesn't matter if their best friend knows it first or not, you will be the one to know it too. They share with you their family problems, relationship problems from the past, the things that they have learned, the things that they are doing in the present, or the projects they are taking up. They want to include you in every aspect of their life. They will come to you about the bitchy manager, about a shitty friend. They will rant to you about a stupid meeting with the boss and will not be afraid of being vulnerable before you because they consider you their safe haven because you are their person. Sign number 5, they are super tactile with you. I know it because I am a tactile person myself, and I know how more touchy-feely I get when I see the person I am interested in, knowing in a better way. So when someone is interested in you, you might notice that they get more touchy-feely with you. The physical distance feels reduced and they want to offer you comfort and closeness by being tactile. Look at these examples. Light touches on the shoulder, hands around the arm, removing something from your shirt, tucking a hair strand behind your ears. These are common and somewhat romantic gestures by someone who is interested in you in a more than just friends way. Although these signs are pretty common and they can happen in two platonic friends as well. And if these signs feel confusing to you, then it's always best to ask them openly if they are interested in you. It won't be easy, but it will at least ease your mind and save you from weaving dreams of being with someone who may not be looking at you in a more than friends way. Sign number 6, thoughtful gestures. Another super important point and something to consider. They remember your cat's birthday. They remind you to take your meds every day. They remember that you have a dentist's appointment and they follow up on it. They bake a cake for you on your birthday. They remember your favorite restaurant and the dishes you like to order. And they will order food from there whenever you are feeling under the weather. When someone is interested in you, they engage in such small and thoughtful gestures. Sign number 7, they respect your individuality. Now, you may be the ones with similar interests or altogether different ones. They respect your individuality. They know you love cricket on a Sunday morning while you prefer staying home with a book in your hand. They enjoy the fact that you are great at maths and numbers even though you avoid math like plague. They love the fact that you're so passionate about writing and reading while you prefer watching sports and movies based on the books. Basically, when someone is interested in you, they admire you for who you are. They respect your unique perspective on things and life. And even if you disagree, they like you for how you think and how you operate in life. Sign number 8, they are reliable. It's quite a mature sign to look at. When a person is reliable to you, you can count on them. You can know for sure that they are going to be there or how they will react or respond in a certain situation. They follow through what they say. They keep their promises. They make plans and follow through them. If they say they will do something, they will do that because they want to follow through those plans and promises for you. If you find yourself having these signs for someone, or if someone shows these signs for you, there might be an interest in more than a friend's way. That's all for today. Stick around for more content, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.